Today I'm sharing how I cut my hair in these long layers at home. It's super easy. I'm also gonna share how I style my hair for it to look this bouncy and healthy. So stay tuned till the end to know how I got that look you love. So my hair looks really frizzy without it being styled or cut. You're gonna need a hairbrush or a comb, whichever you're comfortable with. A pair of scissors. I got mine from Amazon. These are professional hair cutting scissors, so make sure you're not using just a regular scissor. It's gonna give you split ends. And a hair tie. Start off by brushing your hair and removing any knots, just detangling your hair completely. This is a really important step. Now you want to flip your hair over to get all the hair detangled from behind as well. At the very top of your head, you're going to gather all the hair, just tying it up. You're gonna look stupid for a bit, but this is worth it in the end. Just gonna brush the ponytail. So parallel to the ground, I'm gonna slide my fingers through my hair right to the end where I want my hair to be cut. My hands are shivering because that's how tight I'm holding my hair between my fingers. So first you wanna go ahead and cut it straight across just to even it out. Depends on you, whichever length you prefer, how much ever you want to cut. Then you want to go ahead and cut in between of your hair, just like I'm showing you here, and this is going to create sort of an uneven look, which is actually going to help look really natural. You can now open your hair tie and just brush through. Measure your hair on both sides to see if they're even and cut off if necessary. And why I say this haircut is simple to do, because it's the exact same thing. You are only just going to be taking different sections as you go higher up. So now I'm taking a section from the middle of my ears and I'm leaving the bottom section. It depends on how much you want to leave. I like to keep my bottom a little thick, so I am gonna take a section from slightly higher. I'm gonna flip the rest of my hair, create that ponytail, and do the same exact thing and cut my hair the same way. The only difference is if you're doing this for the first time, you want to chop off a little more each time you take a layer that's higher up, because that way everything is not going to be the same length and you're going to have layers. So in this one, I'm going to cut a little more than I did before. Now taking the next section, you can also use a partition brush to make sure your partition is proper. Like you can see, I just go ahead with it as long as the partition is fairly even. It's going to come towards your crown area, as you can see here. In this section, you want to be extra careful because this is going to be the top of your hair and it's going to be the shortest layer. You can create as many layers as you want depending on how thick your hair is or how long your hair is even. So I like to keep my layers in 3 or 4 sections, not too many. This is the look that I like, and I like to keep them thick. So the topmost layer, as you can see, is going to be my shortest layer. I want my shortest layer to still be longer than my face, just so that it frames my face and it doesn't look weird. First, making sure it's leveled, then you can go ahead and point cut it, just like I'm doing here. And these are gonna create those beautiful bouncy layers. You can even cut your fringe at the end, but I am trying to grow my fringe, so I'm not going to touch it right now. And now it's time for styling. This is the tool that I use. I got it off Amazon. Use it after every hair wash, and I see a visible difference in my frizziness. So when my hair is wet, I run it through my hair flat first, and when my hair is almost about to dry, I turn it or kind of roll it towards the end where my layers are. And this is what gives my layers that separation, the different lengths it has, and makes it look really bouncy. And I just really love how it looks. If you notice, my hair is looking way less frizzy, way softer. No extra products used. And that's how I get this healthy bounce and my haircut. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button if you did enjoy this video, and also give this video a like. See you guys in my next one.